Whizlabs subscription plans. Save up to 50% on all yearly plans. What do you get with our Premium Plus subscriptions? 750 plus guided hands-on labs, 4,500 plus training videos, 25,000 plus practice questions, cloud challenges, sandboxes, 24/7 tech support.
So once you have purchased Whizlabs premium plan, you can access your courses from here, and you can see there are around 224 courses. Okay, so let me explore one course. Okay, here in Whizlabs exam simulator we have two modes. Okay, one is practice mode and exam mode. Let me check what it is. So let me try this. So if you are very new to a technology and want to explore all the questions in detail, you can click the practice mode. Click the start button. So directly you will be able to see the quiz. So here you can see there are 65 questions. Okay, since it is a practice mode, you can also see the answer, whichever is right. And there will be a detailed explanation as well for that particular exam question. Okay, so if if you can start and you can continue from wherever you have left, okay, without losing your previous records of your performance. So this is the best feature of Whizlabs exam simulator. Let me click the exit quiz. So you also get an instant and comprehensive analysis of your performance with a detailed performance report. Okay, so here you can see the number of questions asked and how many correct answers you have given, incorrect answers and unattempted. So, and also you can review the answers as well here. So if you want to connect with our experts, that is also possible. So this is an excellent feature of Whizlabs practice test as a practice mode. Okay, I am going back again. So there is another mode. Let me try this question. So I'm clicking the start quiz. You can see earlier we have tried this practice mode. Let us see what is exam mode. So in the exam mode, you will be having the same set of questions, but you don't find that answers, show answer option. So you have to, if you are exam ready and want to test your preparation level, you can try out this exam mode. And you can skip from any questions and you can pass and resume. So all these features are embedded in Whizlabs exam simulator. Okay, and some of the features of Whizlabs practice test is like 100% syllabus coverage, regularly updated content as per the latest syllabus updates, and 24/7 export support. We also provide section test for topic wise preparations. Okay, so these are the core features of Whizlabs practice test. I hope you enjoy this. Let me try Whizlabs video course. So here we have videos on different topics of any particular exam syllabus. Okay, so from here you can just try out any videos. Let me try this video. So you can see in few clicks we are able to access the complete video course on this topic called compute. So you can go through and you can pass and play back any number of time, and if you want to switch to a different topic, you can click the topic, you can directly access the videos. Like it was developed by certified experts based on the real-time exam syllabus. So Whizlabs provides hands-on labs. It's a technical playground where you can explore yourself into the cloud console. Okay, here let me try with one hands-on lab. This topic is related to introduction to Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud. Let us see how to use the hands-on labs with Whizlabs. So in this topic we have already seen the introduction lab session. So you just click the start labs. You can see the cloud environment is getting created. So you have to hold on a few seconds. Yes, now the cloud environment is created. You just click the open console. So it directly takes us to the Amazon sign-in page. So just copy and paste the username and password. Logged in. you will be directly taken to the AWS environment, right? See, without doing any specific setup, you can directly land onto AWS environment. So you can perform the task or perform the lab sessions given in this guided hands-on labs. So here, launching an EC2 instance is the task given. So you just follow the instructions and you can explore here. Okay, so this is what hands-on labs. And now if you want to access any more lab session, you can directly go to this page here, this labs library. You can access any number of labs. Okay, from here also you can access. And there is another important feature called challenges. So there will be a lot of tasks given by our lab experts. So you have to perform those tasks. So by pursuing this kind of lab challenge, you can test your skills and your cloud experience. To try this Whizlabs challenge. So Whizlabs also provide cloud sandboxes, which is a secure, isolated and contained environment where you can explore your own ideas and master your skills in the desired console. Some of the notable features of cloud sandboxes are like zero environment setup, zero infrastructure cost. So this environment is completely isolated from other users. Hence, you can access independently in few clicks without worrying about the configuration errors. You can access Whizlabs sandboxes without paying anything extra.
Choose the best plan for your upskilling goals. Learn with Whizlabs, Success Certified.